Speed reading. An underrated skill is speed reading, the art of reading fast while maintaining comprehension. A while back, I used to be an awful reader. I didn't have much comprehension behind the words. My goal was to get through it and give myself a pat on the back. But when I was done, I had zero clue on what I read. Spent years thinking that it was either speed reading or comprehension, but it couldn't do both. Were you right? No, I was wrong. I discovered the error in my ways when I lived in Virginia and was riding in the metro. There was this guy sitting next to me who was looking intently at his phone. Chinese man with glasses, a big pair of headphones on, and a serious face. His eyes were glued to his phone. This was a late party night in Virginia where a bunch of drunk people were bumping along his shoulders and legs as they tried to wobble their way to their seats. But his focus didn't waver. One word at a time was flashing on his phone. He was just looking at it. Something about this seemed peculiar. Why is he reading one word at a time? Where are the sentences? After a while, curiosity got the best of me, and I tapped him on the shoulder. He paused his game, took off his headphones, and his super serious face turned gentle. "What's up, homie?" he asked. I asked him what he had going on his phone. He said he was practicing speed reading. His approach was unique. Rather than speed reading entire sentences, he took it one word at a time. Just type speed reading in the app section of your phone, and you'll see plenty of apps which get recommended. Most of them have an approach to flash one word at a time to get you started. Once you learn how to read the flashing words, then the game evolves. Now it's a matter of moving your eyes from left to right. This requires motor sensory skills, so don't rush it. Practice it slowly. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. What happens all too often is that we get fixated on one word. When we get fixated, we lose comprehension. Just keep practicing the left to right movement. Over time, this speed reading exercise turns into a workout for the mind. It becomes easier to read faster and maintain comprehension. This is a great skill to invest in because we're inundated with words all day. Practice opportunities are staring anywhere we look. And let's keep it real. Reading a book takes time. Time that you'll never get back. If you like spending your time reading a book, then go for it. But for me, I have other stuff to do. Speed reading it is.